Hi, I'm Haley with Healthy Facts Inc. and today we're going to be making a vegan Nicoise salad. So let's get started. So I already put some lettuce into a bowl and we made some dressing and I drizzled that in here and just gave it a good mix. So I'm going to now transfer that onto my plate here. Okay, and all of our ingredients that we have here are either from a can or we got from the salad bar, so they're easy and convenient. So we are going to first start off by taking some tomatoes. Tomatoes add a lot of flavor and they're just very good and they're colorful. They really just make the dish pop. So you can add however many you want. And then next we are going to be taking some potatoes. Potatoes are also very colorful, also very, very good for you. Flavorful, and yeah, they add a really nice color. Look at that.
The
Vibrant
purple.
Purple color. Beautiful. This will make you want to eat it. Okay. So then next, we have some ingredients from the salad bar. Yummy, yum, yum. So we're going to take this, sprinkle it on there.
Those are artichoke hearts.
Artichoke hearts?
Have you had those, Haley?
I have not actually, but they smell good. So. In this salad, you can honestly do whatever you want with it. You can use other ingredients. These are just the ingredients that we decided to use.
Very flexible dish.
Yes. And then we are going to put some green beans on there. And then we are going to put some nice mushrooms on there. Salad's filling up. And then we're just going to put some nice beans. Beans add a lot of flavor.
Those are cannellini beans, so otherwise known as white kidney beans.
And we are going to take some beets.
Beets? Yeah. Your favorite, right?
Yeah.
Not. Or are they?
I've never actually had one before.
Oh, wow.
So yeah, and if you start to run out of room, you can just put them anywhere you want. Like I said again, this is your salad. You can make it however you want.
Pretty red color.
Salad is very colorful. The more colored, more tasty it'll be, the more healthier it is for you. Okay. And then last but not least, we're just gonna put a bunch of different kind of olives on there. Olives are also really good flavor.
It's looking beautiful. That's really going to keep you full, isn't it?
Yeah. Have a bunch of different options you can eat in this salad. Will never be boring. You will be full all day. Enjoy!
Thanks, Haley.